everyone, welcome to Miranda Detailing. So today I'm just going to do a quick review of the Detailer's Helper belt. Now I got this I think about 2 to 3 weeks ago, maybe more, but I've been using it on a regular basis and I wanted to give you my thoughts on it. So guys, here is the belt. Now the nice thing about this is it has this thick Velcro strap which makes up the belt. So it's adjustable, but it attaches just with the Velcro. Really nice and easy, no buckles to worry about. Now I have all the pockets on here as well. I'll just show you. So I have this one here, which is kind of a larger pocket, which can hold 32-ounce bottles easily right here. I can also shift it over to my side if I need to. But I usually carry that right around here, especially for interior detailing. And I can also put brushes in here if needed. So if I needed to fit my 32-ounce bottle with a couple of interior brushes, then I can do that also. Now you can also put it, I have the large, oh look, I have a towel. So I have a large pocket back here, which you can also fit the 32-ounce bottle in, and brushes, and maybe even an extra microfiber that you can even fold up and put in there to keep as a backup. So I usually have that large pocket back here. This one, it's not really needed because I usually have pants with pockets in them and I can just put my cell phone in here. But if you want to put it in here for quick access, then you can do that. You can put your cell phone in there. So I have this large pocket. Now I also have the pocket here, which is usually where you would put bottles of wax or polish in that pocket. And I think it is also large enough to fit a 32-ounce bottle. So 16-ounce bottles or large 32-ounce bottles, if you use those. I usually don't like using the big bottles. I'll buy 32-ounce and then I'll put them into the smaller 16-ounce bottles. But it holds both easily. And I believe that's it with the pockets. So I have 4 pockets that I use. So these ones I really use most often. They're on my left-hand side here, and I like that you can shift these around as needed. So if you don't want them in the front here, if you're polishing and you're going up against the vehicle, you don't want this to be rubbing up against it necessarily with a big bottle or something in here. So you can shift it over, and then if you want to put an apron on and then put the belt on, you can do that also. Let me show you how to do that. So, might be a little redundant. You have these pockets here, but they're going to be covered anyway, but you have the side ones. That's what you want. You can also put this underneath your belt, so if you don't want that hitting the paint, then you can put it underneath. So you can put it underneath. Now you kind of lose the functionality of maybe this pocket unless you shift it to the side. But when you're wearing an apron like this, you're going to do paint correction, most likely. I never wear my apron for interior details. They're always exterior polishing. So if you are polishing on the roof, then you have the microfiber touching the paint, and you're not worried about that other part of the belt hitting the paint. You still have access to your other pockets here and the one in the back, which if you want to put extra towels in, then you can do that. So you have them on your back side here, and I have my phone pocket right there, which is just underneath. So really it does work really well. And if you want to put a microfiber in here, you can maybe just have 2 microfibers or however many microfibers you need or want. Then you have that one as a backup. always kept clean underneath your apron. So it works out really well. So let's get rid of this. And now back to just the normal belt. So that's my review of the Detailer's Helper belt. Really impressed with this. I love it. At first I think it might be cumbersome to put on. Oh, I gotta put an extra belt on, and it's not really that big of a deal. Once you have it on, you realize the versatility of it, that you can put all of these products, have them with you at all times. You can put your brushes where you need to put them, and it really works out to your advantage having all your stuff on yourself. Really is an awesome piece of equipment to keep. And another nice thing about this, let's take all this stuff out. My phone. Now once you take the belt off, you can kind of fold it into quarters and kind of fold it into itself, and it stores easily anywhere. So if you have maybe like a little drawer that you put your polishers and your pads in, it just fits right in there nicely. So it stores easily also. So there's my review on the Detailer's Helper's belt. I love it, and I definitely give it a 10 because it's just a really nice piece of equipment to have. If you have enjoyed the video, please like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with others who may enjoy it, and as always, please subscribe to our channel. That way you get videos each week, and make sure to click on that bell also. That way you get notified when our videos drop each week. All right guys, we'll see you next time. Have a great day.